So about a year ago, spotting an AI video was very simple and easy. However, right now, even experts can get fooled to spot which one is fake and which one is original. So with me, I have around 17 videos here, and your job is simple. To tell me whether the video is AI generated or it is an original. Keep score, because if you get more than 8, you're officially better than most people. Also, these videos are combined in the form of, we begin with the most obvious to the hardest to guess. So make sure you follow along, and then we see if you can spot. Also, I will be revealing secrets and tips on how to spot an AI video. So take this as a crash course. Now you can easily spot an AI video from an original video so that you cannot get fooled. So small background about me. My name is Titus. I'm an IT officer for over 8 years. And this channel is dedicated just for AI tutorials and how you can use AI for your business. If that's something that you might find interesting, please consider subscribing. And then if you get any small value from this video, please consider liking it, sharing it. This video also will be in terms of series, where I will be making parts in different ways, because AI is evolving in video generation and image generation. So I'll make the series. Well, if you ask that AI generated, you are wrong. This video is actually real, shot by a photographer. And then others moving. So that's one clue. The second clue we have is this gentleman's legs. So right here down, we can see that we can see that 3 legs. However, when you continue playing the video, we find actually him coming out that this leg is for this gentleman. So let me see his hand movements. You can pause the video and play it along, but to me his hand moves are not perfect enough. And even words on his shirt, you can see here it's a little bit some words in. So definitely this is an AI video. Let's proceed to the next. Now we have here a video of someone combing his hair. Trimming his hair. A video of someone trimming his hair. So if you said an AI video, you're definitely wrong. That was an original video. Let's proceed. I have a video of a woman. So I would give this an AI video definitely. Let's proceed to the next. Here's a video of a model. Well, if you said AI generated video, you're definitely wrong. But this is an obvious one. It's an original video. We can see the camera angles, the camera shadows, everything looks perfect. The lip sync and everything. Confirm, put in the comments below if you think that is AI generated or it's an original video. And then we shall answer next week. So that comes the end of our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And I'll catch you in the next one.